Gegutingang loyo kyoto ketinyege agurerishek kitab kolenjin ole timi noton nebo Zeet FC kokoimuch konyor kabelishet en urerioshek chebo kiptulit chotok chenaatin ko Sammy tournament chuton ko urerioshek chekakisuldaen en kiwanjetab Sotit en Konoin county nebo Bomet ole koibelis Zeet FC yekon kobir timitab Galaxy FC en golishek 2-0 en finals akonyorchige konunotiotab silingishek 25,000 timitab Cheptalal FC kokoek nambaritab 3 akonyorchige konunotiot nebo 15,000 Ole Lobokwo FC kokoib namba 4 akonyorchige 10,000 kabeletab Kenya nebo Sammy tournament kotokyingei kokanapta talendaishek en kwen nebo neranik akora kochere neranik kochuti sugulishekab muswoknotetab kasari choton ko TVET asikonyorchige ng'omnatoshek cheterter akot konoton kokoitetab biik chechang mising kiwanjanotok asikorobeun timishek cheterter akot angandan kokimuch kebourenji ropta neo.
Of this tournament, soccer tournament, is to create awareness about the youth who are not aware about the training opportunities, the training skills opportunities that we have in our TVET space. Yet, a number of them, they love the sport, they love part of so many of their talents, and therefore we wanted to create an awareness that truly speaking, we have the talents in soccer, in any other sports, but this talent would not last a lifetime. So we want to transition them to talent creation and as well skills acquisition so that the two can create a lasting livelihood.
Tumeshukuru Mungu sana, tumefika kwa finali na watu wa Zeet tournament. Sasa naomba vijana, kama hii mchezo imeletwa kwa hii Konoin, muache na kazi zingine, tuingie kwa mpira tucheze. Ya pili, naomba serikali tafadhali, saidi ya Konoin hakuna kiwanja mzuri. Kama mnaweza tafuta mbinu yoyote ya kuengarisha hii kiwanja, vijana wacheze.